We are pleased to show you 2010 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, privacy glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.